Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana, and today we continue the journey that we started at Corvin Castle, and we are now in a lovely and picturesque place called I Giardini di Zoe, or Zoe's Gardens. The garden was built by an Italian that decided to move here and live in Romania and envisioned everything that you see here. And this garden is still in Hunedoara, exactly like Corvin Castle, but outside of a small village called Ban Potoc. To arrive here, if you are in Deva and you have a car, it is simple. But for the traveler that took the backpack and travels only with that, it's a bit more complicated. But nothing stood in our way because we really wanted to see this marvelous garden. So we just had to be a bit more creative. We took the train from Deva to Simeria, and after that a taxi, and we reached the location, and we're supposed to come back to Simeria walking by foot, but we don't regret anything because it was really impressive and really nice. Nothing stood in our way. We charged the batteries, we took the road in the morning and embarked in this adventure. We visited the garden, we enjoyed the beauty of everything that you see here, and for sure we will come back in the future to see the garden, maybe in a different stage, a different season, because the garden will transform for sure, and we don't want to miss this. I hope you enjoy today video, and I really hope that if you plan to travel to Romania, you'll put this location on your list, and you're gonna visit and make your own opinion. I will see you here next time with another recipe, or who knows, another adventure, because I still have lots of footage to edit from our tour to Transylvania. Please subscribe, it will help my channel a lot. Ring the bell as well, because you're gonna receive notification only when I'm posting a new video. Comment down below and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this, and please find reasons to smile, and I'll see you here next time. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.